Next, we discuss effects of refractions. In this section, we discuss three effects of refractions. First one, a stick partly immersed in water appears to be bent at the water surface. Now we take a stick and then fish tank filled with water. A stick is partially immersed in water. When light is passed from water to air, the refractor rays are reached our eyes. Now we retrace the refracted rays, we get the A1, that is the apparent position. Stick appears to be bent at the water surface. So BA1 is a bend at the water surface. Now we see the demonstration. We take two glass and two pencil. We place the pencil into the glass. One glass is filled with water and another glass is empty. Now we can see both the pencil. The first one is at the water surface. The second one, there is no bend. The bend at the water surface due to refraction of light. Second one, an object placed under water appears to be raised. From the last case, you can see the bending of light. Now we take a brick or coin, so anyone we can take. We assume the brick inside the water, the light refracted from water to air and reached our eyes. We trace back the refractor rays, we get the virtual image. This is a virtual image, this is a real brick. Now we demonstrate another example. We place a coin into the bowl. Now the second bowl is filled with water. The coin is appeared, but the first bowl, the coin does not appear. So the conclusion, the coin appears to be raised in the second bowl. Third effects of refraction. A pool of water appears to be less deep than it actually is. In the swimming pool, we see the depth of the swimming pool, but real depth is higher. We see the apparent depth of the swimming pool. It appears to be less depth than it actually what we see. From these pictures, O is the real depth, but the light is comes from air to water and it refracted from water to air. The light is bent. We trace back the refractor ray, we get the apparent positions I. So this is the real depth, this is the apparent depth. So few examples of effects of refractions. Generally, temperature of the atmosphere varies with the altitude. During the summer season, we may see the mirage on the road because of different temperature of air around the atmosphere. During the rainy season, we get the rainbow because of refractions. And another one, twinkling of stars. In the night time, we see the twinkling of stars, but star does not twinkle. Because of refraction, it appears twinkling effect.